Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever and whenever you may be. I'm Jeff Wuendry, the Mobile Automation Group at SICK, and today we're going to be talking about this, the new IMS inductive sensor. We're going to talk about why this is so important for mobile off-highway applications. Stay tuned. If you're adding automation or creating an autonomous platform on an agricultural, construction, forestry, or mining vehicle, you need intelligent sensing solutions from SICK. From a location near the SICK headquarters in Minneapolis, this video series explores the latest trends and the newest products for off-highway, off-road mobile automation. We have work to do. Let's do this. So, for 3.5 questions with Jeff, I brought along a colleague.
I'm Jim Gilbert, Product Manager for Presence Detection at SICK, and I'm here today to talk to you about the IMS Inductive Proximity Sensor for mobile applications.
Hey, thanks for the introduction, Jim. Hey, we're talking about this IMS inductive sensor. Inductive sensors have been around for a long time. What is special about this one?
Well, Jeff, there are a few unique things. One is the V4A stainless steel housing. Another is the potting compound and process used to make the sensor. And then finally, the E1 rating that it carries.
Okay, Jim, I get it. So it's a little bit different. But why does a user care about this? Hey, I'm going to trick you up on this one.
Well, Jeff, the V4 stainless steel and the potting compound enabled the sensor to withstand IP69K environmental testing, and also it can survive in ambient conditions from -40 all the way up to 100 degrees C. Additionally, the E1 rating enables it to withstand 100 volts per meter of VMC testing.
Oh, hey, Jim, I think I got it. Okay, so this is the packaging for the IMS. Can you go through a demonstration?
Sure, Jeff, no problem. First of all, the LEDs that are embedded into the sensor neck, they can help the installer understand how close they are to the target. So in this case, the target is barely present, and as I move it in closer, you can see that the LED locks on. This assures that there's good mounting distance between the target and the sensor. Also, the potting compound, you can see, fully fills all the voids within the sensor. So this ensures a high IP69K rating. And it's a little hard to see on the camera, but there are two O-rings, and these O-rings prevent water from wicking in from, say, a cable in case moisture ingress through the cable. So a lot of ways that we're offering protection for the customer. The E1 rating I can't really show, but all the specs are included in the documentation.
That was an awesome demonstration, Jim. Thanks. And I guess the last half of a question goes to you out there, which is that if you're interested in receiving a free sample of the IMS inductive sensor for mobile applications, click the link down below or give us a call, and we'll hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching. In our next video, we'll discuss hydraulic cylinder position measurement and SICK's solution, the Max 48 linear encoder.